everyone, welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. If you are working in sustainability or environmental management, you have probably heard of ISO 14064 and ISO 14001. But what is the difference? Today we are breaking it down in simple terms. What each standard is for, key differences between them, and which one is right for your organizations. So let's get started. The basics. Both ISO 14064 and ISO 14001 are international standards developed by the International Organization for Standardization, and they both focus on environmental sustainability. But they serve very different purposes. ISO 14064 is all about greenhouse gas accounting and verification. ISO 14001 is about environmental management systems, that is EMS, improving environmental performance. Key differences. Let's break down the key differences between these two standards. Scope and focus. ISO 14001 covers a wide range of environmental issues, waste management, pollution, energy use, compliance, and more. ISO 14064 is laser focused on greenhouse gas emissions, including how to measure, report, and verify them. Compliance versus reporting. ISO 14001 is about setting up an environmental management system that helps an organization comply with environmental regulations and reduce its footprint. ISO 14064 is more about carbon footprint measurement. It helps companies track, report, and verify their emissions, but it doesn't mandate an EMS. Certification and verification. Organizations can get certified for ISO 14001 by undergoing an external audit. ISO 14064 doesn't offer certification, but it does provide a framework for third-party verification of GHG emissions, which is critical for carbon credits and regulatory reporting. Who uses each standard? ISO 14001 is used by companies that want a structured approach to environmental management. Think factories, offices, and logistics companies. ISO 14064 is widely used by businesses in carbon-intensive industries like energy, manufacturing, or transportation, and organizations that need GHG reporting for carbon markets or sustainability goals. And that's a wrap. Now you know the difference between ISO 14064 and ISO 14001 and how to decide which one fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next deep dive into ISO standards and sustainability. Thanks for watching, and remember, sustainability starts with knowledge. See you next time.